Creating your own email account is a straightforward process, and there are several email service providers to choose from. One of the most popular and widely used providers is Gmail, offered by Google. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create an email account with Gmail. Step 1. Go to the Gmail sign-up page. Open your web browser and go to the Gmail sign-up page. Step 2. Fill in the required information. Enter your first and last name in the provided fields. Step 3. Choose a username. Choose a unique username for your email address. If your desired username is already taken, Gmail will suggest some variations, or you can try a different one. Step 4. Create a password. Choose a strong password. A strong password typically includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. Step 5. Confirm password. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Step 6. Provide a valid phone number. Enter your phone number. This is used for account recovery and additional security. Google will send you a verification code. Step 7. Verify your phone number. Google will send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Enter the code to verify your identity. Step 8. Add recovery email, optional. You can add a recovery email address to help recover your account if you forget your password. This step is optional but recommended. Step 9. Agree to the terms of service. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Step 10. Personalize your account, optional. You can add a profile picture and customize your account settings if you wish. Congratulations! Once you've completed the steps, you should have successfully created your Gmail account. You can now use your new email address to send and receive emails. Remember that these steps may vary slightly depending on the email service provider you choose. If you prefer a different provider, such as Yahoo Mail or Outlook, the process will be similar but with some variations in the specific steps.